it do, man? It's your player partner G-Man back with another bang. What's up, guys? I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope you guys set new goals and getting it done, you feel me? Shit, I'm back. Feel me? I got a couple of days off, so it's time to get some work done to this car because this car been tripping lately, man. My fucking my AC just went out, so you can see your boy riding with the window open. So I already got that at the shop. I'm about to switch that to you, switch that today, and my exhaust. So I end up buying another stock exhaust because the stock exhaust on these cars sound really good. You know what I'm saying? I don't have no complaints. The exhaust that I got right now, I got a hole right here somewhere in the back, and every time I take it to the exhaust shop, they weld it, but it ends up coming off. So that's why my car sound loud. Like, this car is not even supposed to sound like this. So basically, with that exhaust leak, I don't have no power. Like, I hit this car going 80, and it feels like I'm not even like I'm forcing the car. You feel me? Because it's a big ass hole in the exhaust. So I'm just, oh man, look at all them supers, man. So I'm gonna just put the stock on. The stock one looks good. I got it for a good price. So I'm gonna just put the stock one in, stock one back on. So yeah, man. Let's not waste no time. I'm gonna see you guys at the shop. Let's get it. Your boy just got here to the shop. Man, it's hot. So I'm letting the car cool off. There's a stock exhaust. Not bad. Mine, this piece right here is messed up, and they can't seem to weld it. So I got a big ass hole right there on mine. That's why mine shit sound loud. This car's not supposed to sound loud at all. Actually, Infinities come with like a good exhaust system, I can say that. So on this RC compressor, I gotta wait till it cool off so I can take this intake off. Probably gotta take this water thing off. Yep. So there's 3 screws. There's one right here, one in the bottom, and one in the back. Those are 14s. But before that, you gotta loosen up that tensioner on that belt from the bottom, which is a 12. Take that belt off, and then take those 14s off. I got the new one over here. Man, look at them little looking sauced up, bro. I got the new one over here. I like the fact that they sent the all black one. That shit's gonna be lit. So these are the screws. One right here. One up top, and one in the back. And these are connectors. And this is where it goes. This is where the air goes through. And it comes with the seals also. So I should be good on that. So I'm just waiting for the car to cool off. And also, you might want to get you one of these right here with the gauge on it and 2 cans of Freons. So you don't need much, you feel me? You don't need that many Freons. But yeah, let me show you guys my brake calipers, man. I already put the oh shit. Taking delivery of another G35 that I gotta work on. It's gonna be nice. Let me show you guys the brake lines that I put. My nigga Q came through yesterday and helped me bleed the line. So there you can see the line. There's still lines all around. So we got still braided lines. So when the car heats up a lot, it won't be a problem. Yeah, you see that? Still lines. Still lines. The reason why I got this bag is because I still got to spray it with clear once I get my new decals, because I have fucked up on the decals, man. Look how sauced up these wheels look, man. Yeah, this nigga needs to hurry up. Well, Logan. The starter on this, the fuel pump, and hopefully just that. Worst case scenario, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to switch the whole motor on this bitch. But this bitch is clean. Me personally, I don't really. I mean, I like the way the car looks low, but I personally don't want to. I've been there. All my cars previously, they all been low, and they're not functional like that. You can barely go everywhere. Should be scraping all over the place. So look wise, it look badass. I would do it. The only way you will see my car like this is if I had a fucking airbags. Other than that, no sir. Yeah, this car's pretty alright, man. This car comes with the Navi in it. Shout out to my nigga Lewis, man. Sold it to me for a good price. Come with straight pipe already. This car is loud. Yeah, man. But yeah, I'm about to let this car cool off, chill for a little bit, wait for my nigga Q to pull up, and then I'll show you guys how to switch this, the AC compressor, man. Let's get it. What's up, my boy?
What's the respect on my shit, nigga? My shit way lower.
You think so?
Yeah, look at that, nigga. This shit stop here, boy.
Nah, you ain't seen it from the side, nigga. Look at the side. Look,
I'm
look how the back tucking. This nigga shit lower than yours shit, bro. Big time.
No, bro.
Yes, bro.
Those were 17s, right? Those were 18s.
I don't know.
Now imagine I put 18s on it. Those are 19s.
Oh, you got 19s?
Those are 19s. My shit started fucking up, though, nigga, on my way over here.
For real? What happened?
Man, nigga, I left the paint shop that whole way.
You got no gas?
Man, who shit is that?
I know that boy, he beat you to the wing. Hey, park like that though.
What the fuck is that, nigga? I could've just took that out.
That's what boy shit I think from the side. So this one I wanna park it like that. Eventually. Huh? Just park like that.
Behind the
No, not straight back, but like.
Oh, to the side?
Yeah.
Look at my shit right now. It's hesitating bad.
For real?
Yeah, listen to this one, bro. If I got
Unless we could push this back and you could just slide in here.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let me get the keys. The what? up, boy.
Oh my. Give a fuck about what them horse say. I just put up in that Porsche, I just put up on that horse, I'm missing shit you can't afford, hey. She said that dick to her boy's horse, hey. My Cuban link costs more than yours,
Boom. So you gotta hit this bolt right here. This is a 12 to loosen up that tension right there. And this is a 14 right here. The 14, I already hit it, I already loosened it up. And then you'll be able to take that bolt out. I had to take out that water connection off. You can see it come down.
I be with my killers on no cars, hey. Give a fuck about what them horse say. I just put up in that Porsche, I just put up on that horse, I'm missing shit you can't afford, hey. She said that dick to her boy's horse, hey.
I'll let you guys know when he's out.
Don't give a fuck about what the horse say. Horse Panamera with 4 doors, hey. New Panamera with 4 doors, hey. They put my trunk in the front of the Porsche, hey. Tryna save it, I remember I couldn't afford it. Early I missed your call cause I was born legit. Make a vegetable, I put some carrots on my knees. Got an ammunition, choppers like a Tesla tank. Still waiting, yeah, tryna tell them we ain't.
AC compressor is back on. There, we got everything hooked up. Put the fans back on. Hook up the water. I just gotta put my intake back on. Then put some Freon on it. Then do the exhaust next. So yeah, so once I'm done with that, I'm gonna do the exhaust next. If you are doing the AC to your G35, you gotta remove that fan. Don't try to do it with the fan in the car, cause you're gonna be out of there. You're gonna fuck up your fan. So it's better just to move everything out the way that's preventing you from moving that compressor out. So you should be good, man. That's the old one. So yeah, let's get it. So basically, yeah, you want to turn on your car first. Turn it on. Man, it's blowing cold already. So you want to turn on the car first. Get you one of these. Plug it into the small one. And screw the bottom one. That's all you do right here. Screw the bottom. Feel it open up. Keep eye on the gauge. Bruh.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yes, sir. So I probably just use 1.5 for the full tote. So yeah, guys, that's how you do your AC, man. You know what I'm saying? If you guys feeling lazy, you got your AC compressor went out, holler at me. I'll switch it for you. It's gonna cost you though, you feel me? So man, boy, it's feeling really good in there. I was gonna look badass, bro. Damian Marley.
Yeah. I already got the shit is on one.
That boy just got done doing the C-section on the car. You already cleaned up where you want it?
Yeah, I already wiped the trunk over. Just line it up.
Oh, you want to hold it on that side? So where you want it, all the way back?
Shit, you're supposed to be. Shit.
I think mine's good right here. Let me see yours.
Push this one in since you pushed that one down.
Yeah, go ahead. Should go to the other side. Yeah, I think it's even. How much space do I got from the back? Oh shit. Yeah, you're good. Let me see. Probably a little over. A little over. Pick that side up. Ooh.
Oh, that shit came up.
No, you're gonna be good. Hold it. Let me see. Yeah, it looks straight, bro. Look at it from back here. It looks straight. Alright, my boy. You go like this, bro. All right, boy. So yeah, guys, that's how you do your AC on your G35. Really, any car, you just gotta manage the way to get your compressor out. Feel me? If you guys don't feel like doing your own AC, holler at me. It's gonna cost you. Especially right now, man. You don't want to be without no AC in your car. It's like 100. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, looks good. Looks good. Man, boy. Woo. Feels really good in here now. You feel me? So I'm about to do my exhaust. I'm not gonna film that because my battery's going low. I'm not gonna film that because my battery's going low. But that's the only thing I gotta do is just my exhaust. I already got an exhaust gasket, so it shouldn't take long, man. So like, comment, subscribe, comment. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure you share. Let's get it. Until next time, guys.